My full-time job is working in an auto parts store, and I don't work behind the counter. I work on the side that helps shops. They call in, they need a part, we have somebody deliver a part to them. And recently, I got moved out of the retail environment, and I'm now working inside of a customer shop. Well, I don't really have any office space. They left me with a laptop, with an internet connection, and that was about it. My own wits to get this job done. Well, I packed away their laptop, and I've been outfitting myself with a more portable setup that pretty much all of it can be packed up and go home with me when I leave at night. The main part of that is I have a 5th gen iPad Air with the 256 gigs of storage, and I've got a Bluetooth keyboard from Artec, which is going to be upgraded here soon. I'm waiting on one from Neofyte to come in. But this came in the mail for me today. As I was waiting on this. This is an Arzopa portable monitor. Use it as a secondary display for the iPad, and is a 14-inch. I believe it's 1080p. And yeah, comes highly regarded. I've seen a lot of good reviews for it, and it's just big enough that it should be able to fit into my messenger bag, which I also just got from TomTalk. And again, this came highly recommended, so this should fit in there. And I think this thing will be 100 here. Very strong. It should come with its own carrying case. Got a little folio. Yeah, it does. HDR technology, 1080p, Type-C, and mini HDMI. So, if I remember correctly, this is going to be powered by the USB-C. Right here, USB-C to USB-A. That is a C to C cable, and this is a C to HDMI. There's also a power plug, so it may not be fully self-sufficient. I already have a 100-watt charger at work, or a wireless charging pad, my iPad, and also an extra cable, so like if I need to charge my headphones and my cell phone at the same time, I can do that. And it's one of the ones from Ugreen, 100 watts, 3 Type-C, and 1 Type-A. This is probably something like, it's very nondescript. This is a 15-watt charger, so single Type-C or Type-A. So the Ugreen I have at work has a Type-A port on it that is free, so this can go in that. That's good. Yeah. So I will try and sell it at work. clean, and it, well, I always get the fingerprints. Okay, that fits in my bag. If it's not getting stuck on my wrist, I've served as a joke. So, follow up later. Thanks.